I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use Apple Pay with your Meta Quest 2 headset. While direct integration isn't available on the headset itself, you can seamlessly connect your Apple Pay through the Meta Quest mobile application on your iPhone. This guide will walk you through setting up your payment method and making secure purchases for your virtual reality experiences. It's a straightforward process that enhances your purchasing convenience. Before linking to your Quest, ensure Apple Pay is fully set up on your iPhone. Open the Wallet application and tap the plus sign in the top right corner. You can then add a new credit or debit card by scanning it or entering the details manually. Follow the simple on-screen instructions to verify your card with your bank. Remember to enable Face ID, Touch ID, or a strong passcode for quick and secure authentication of your payments. Now let's connect Apple Pay to your Meta Quest account. Launch the Meta Quest application on your iPhone. Tap the menu icon, usually found at the bottom right, and then select Settings, followed by Payment Methods. Here, you'll find an option to add a new payment method. If Apple Pay is set up on your phone, you can often select it directly or add a card that is already in your Apple Wallet. Authenticate the process with your iPhone's security features. With your payment method linked, purchasing games and apps is simple. You can browse the Meta Quest store directly on your headset or through the mobile app. When you're ready to buy, select your item and proceed to checkout. The payment will be processed through the Meta Quest app, leveraging your linked Apple Pay. Always keep both your Meta Quest headset and iPhone updated to the latest software versions for optimal security. Consider setting a 4-digit store PIN on your Quest for an extra layer of protection against unauthorized purchases.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.